Tip 5 is Wayground, or also known as quizzes. It's a great place for you to create fun, gamified, common formative assessments, but also let students see the results. You can analyze the results, and it's free, but you can also copy and paste your questions into this, and it produces it kind of like a Kahoot, but it's called quizzes, and it's better. So let's check it out.
The first thing you're going to want to do is go to wayground.com, and from there you're going to click Create and then click Assessment. Choose Generate with AI because that's where you can paste or type text into the AI quiz generator. When you generate with AI, you can paste the prompt from the description below in this video, and you can add in your own learning target. For example, I'm using my argumentative learning target. I asked it to make a 10-question multiple quiz formatted and structured with different types of questions with a clear, correct answer, realistic but incorrect distractors. I also asked that all answers be about the same length and that the questions be progressing from basic comprehension to higher order thinking. Once I've entered that, I click Generate Quiz, and at this point I can add in topics or standards I want to focus on so the questions connect even more directly to my lesson. Wayground then produces a strong set of multiple choice questions aligned to my target. After generating, I can edit further, adjusting for timing for each question. When I click Start Now, I can add accommodations and personalize the learning for every student. I can also select which game mode I want to use. Once the game is ready, I will project or share the join code with my students, along with the link or a QR code for joinmyquiz.com. Students type their name and join the quiz and play in the gamified format that I selected. Finally, after the game, I can pull the reports to see how my students performed, and it gives me clear data on what they've mastered and what I may need to reteach.
Thanks for watching, and check out my other 4 tips on integrating AI into the classroom one bite at a time. Also, these prompts and one-pagers are free on Teachers Pay Teachers, along with a free sample in the first chapter of my book, which has 120 tips on integrating AI into the classroom one bite at a time.